You look like a nerd. Do you want to do the triple dog challenge? Triple dog dare challenge?
Okay.
Okay, you know what the first challenge is, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to do a 3-part challenge with Kiddo just for fun. Just because we're riding out April, doing lots of work up potting and transplanting plants, but we wanted to sit back and have a little bit of fun and see if he could handle the triple challenge. He knows what the first challenge is. They went to the gas station earlier and got these right here. And it's crickets, salt and vinegar crickets. And so he bought these, and I'm going to challenge him. It cost $4 or $5 for those?
Yeah.
Alright, I will owe you back the $5 if you can eat that entire box in 30 seconds.
I'm not doing that.
Huh?
I'm taste testing it. I'm not eating it.
I'll give you $5 back that you can buy another pack with.
If I eat it in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
I'm probably not going to eat it in 30 seconds, but I am going to taste this box of food.
I'll tell you when to start. Each challenge you complete, I'll give you $5.
Second. Because this box
Sound like a
sucks.
deal?
Okay.
We'll let you get it open first, okay?
Okay. This bag inside as well.
We'll start now.
Hey, not yet.
Huh? Hurry up. Pour them out in your hand.
Oh, I don't like this. Let me show him. Chewing it.
They taste like dead bugs.
Tastes like sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds.
Very salty sunflower seeds.
Can you feel their little legs kicking?
No.
Huh?
No.
All right, I'll buy you another pack when we go back to the store. I'll give you $5, okay? All right, that's challenge number 1. We'll come back in just a second for the double dog dare. That was the dog dare. All right, so now we're going to do the double dog dare. You can drink some of your soda if you're having trouble getting those bugs down. All right. You got to help with this one, hon. Okay, for the second challenge, $5 is Mom gets to squirt some of this lime juice in your mouth, and you got to keep a straight face for 30 seconds.
I know.
If you can keep a straight face for 30 seconds, $5.
Shut back in his throat. It's probably easy.
He's a little wonky. It takes a second before it kicks in.
Should have made it touch his tongue more.
Put a little more in there.
No.
Just a little
A
more.
It's
Just a drop.
disgusting.
It won't be a part of the challenge. You hit about 30 seconds anyways.
A couple drops right on the tip of the tongue.
It's disgusting.
Yeah.
But it's not as sour as I thought.
Oh, maybe lemon juice would have been better, huh? All right, so that's $10, right?
Okay.
Okay, we'll come back for the triple dog dare. Yeah, the mocha latte. Look away. You're not allowed to see what this challenge is.
Oh no.
You gotta eat this without making a disgusted face.
How? That's easy.
Huh?
That's easy.
It's easy. Why?
I already know what it is.
What is it?
Ice cream.
Huh?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
They're just giving me free money at this point. What is? Oh, come on. This is horrible.
What was that? You weren't
What?
supposed to look.
You're ruining it. I'll never
Okay.
be able to eat ice cream the same.
Huh?
I'll never be able to eat it the same.
It's all good though. Triple dog dare. This is another $5. You could have made $15 just now in the last 5 minutes, huh, hun? It's ice cream with mustard on it.
I like mustard. I like ice cream, so I wonder how they'll taste the same.
Ice cream with mustard. Okay. 30 seconds. I've never seen him make that face before. I think he lost $5 and he ate the ice cream mustard. Oh my gosh. Pure chaos. How was it?
Not good.
Not good.
At the start wasn't good, but at the
Listen,
end-
here, for being a champion, I'll owe you $15, okay? I'll let you have $5 for that one, even though you were supposed to not make a disgusting face. All right, so what's today, the 13th?
The 12th.
The 12th? It's the 12th, okay, it is April 12th of 2023. I will take you guys outside. It's been about 9 days since our last video, and show you what the outside's looking like. We're just kind of working hard up potting our plants, having fun. It's a fun challenge. We went with crickets, and then we went with lime juice. We should have went with lemon juice on that one, and then we went with ice cream with mustard on it. Kiddo's a trooper. We talked him into doing this video. He said he was willing to give it a shot, especially $15. $15 over like 5 or 6 minutes ain't that bad, huh? But we love you guys. It's important to have fun. If you're in a mid-zone and down, you're still kind of waiting to make the move outside. But I'll take you guys on the backyard to show you guys what's going on out there, and catch you guys in a second. Love you guys. Lots of fun?
No.
No? Love you guys. Catch you later. All right, so here is some of our sprouts. So it's our main pepper tray, our backup pepper tray, our dwarf tomato tray, and our main tomato tray. He's over here. What we're doing, we just up pot him in the double container and the 6-pack method for the shelving system we have here. Doing pretty well. Just lots and lots of work every single day. So everything's moving so much. It's really, really hard to sit down and do a video on this is how it goes. It's, you know what I mean? Because tomorrow these will be moved into overflow. Some of these might be given away. By Saturday they will. Some of them. More will enter into its place. And so this is almost just like a quick little shot of what's going on currently at the moment. My last video was about 9 days ago. We had tons and tons of snow. It's April 12th right now. We had a couple days of frozen weather, a few days of slushy mushy mess, and then we had a few days of it kind of drying up and being warm. I was able to get the plants out here for a couple hours over a couple of those days, but all this was snow less than 10 days ago. So it changes really, really quick. Now we're entering 3 days of where it's going to have a steep, dry, cold drop. So we love you guys. April 12th of 2023, UTA Angel and Kiddo. And we'll catch you next time. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.